Today I'm going to tell you how to make the Mani Kozhukattai or the steamed rice balls. For this, we've taken a tawa and added 2 cups of hot water, and then we add 1 spoon of cooking oil to it and allow it to boil well. Once it's boiled, we add a spoon of salt and nicely allow it to mix. To this, we add 2 cups of rice flour and nicely keep mixing it as we keep adding. This will follow a consistency of the chapati dough that you generally prepare. Keep adding water as much as you feel is necessary. Keep mixing it thoroughly and until you find that the batter has got to this consistency. We now store this separately. On the tawa, we add little more cooking oil, some mustard. Allow the mustard to crackle. To this, add some urad dal and then add some hing. To this, add some green chilies which are chopped and some curry leaves. We add some chili powder to this and then mix well. We then add some grated coconut and mix it well. We will then add this to the batter that we have actually kept separately and mix it thoroughly. This will become the kolukattais that we will be making after it gets steamed. After mixing it thoroughly, we then take some water in the tawa and allow it to steam well. It's now time to make the kolukattai balls, or the Mani Kozhukattai as they call it. With some oil in the hand, we nicely roll them into small balls like you can see in the video. We then use this plate with which we will boil it. We apply oil on the plate and nicely place these kolukattais on the plate. It's now time to place a stand and place the kolukattais inside the tawa. Allow it to steam well. It generally takes about 10 minutes. After this, our kolukattai is ready to be had.